Well, g'day everyone, here we are in the shed, starting to sort out all the parts for the dart. I'm going to make a list of what we got, and I hope the list of what we haven't got is not longer. So I'll try and label a few things and get it sorted out, because I need some room in here when we bring this chassis and the body in. So it's quite a warm day, so I've got the air conditioner going, and we'll get started, I think. As you can see, this was a long, slow process. So as I identified each item, I wrote it down and bagged it, put it back in a box, labelled the box. I tried to do this fairly meticulously, so later on it will be easier for me to be able to find where everything is. This was probably compounded a bit by the fact that we also had the parts here for the 300cc sedan, so didn't want to get the pieces mixed up with the 300cc sedan parts. It's not really compatible. And as I said at the beginning of this video, one of the reasons to do this as well is to try and clear some space on the floor. Have to move the tables back and all the other items out of the way so that we can get the dart body in, as well as two chassis, which you'll see in the next video, which will be coming very, very soon. So enjoy watching me wander around getting parts into bags. Thank you. So you see I've cut this video a bit shorter than the last one, mainly because even though I have plenty of stuff, it gets a bit boring, and also my internet time is so pathetic that it takes forever to upload these videos. So I'm trying to make them between 5 and 10 minutes long. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.